What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Alright, so I'm giving you my top penny stocks under $1, so let's jump into it. Hope everybody is having a great week, or will have a great week next week. Definitely a lot of moves being made in the market overall. So let's jump into the first one. We have ticker sign AAU. Uh, it is bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is slightly below moving average 10. But overall, looking positive on ticker sign AAU. They did have a week high of 55 cents, ending at 55 cents for the week. Then after hours, they went up to end at 56 cents for the whole week. So overall, bullish on the name, and definitely going to be looking at this one for an early morning mover, especially considering that it's ending at 56 cents, which is going to be its new week high. So it's starting next week at a new weekly high, which I think is fantastic at this 56-cent level. So if we zoom out on here, one of the peak levels that I think that we should look at is right here around this 56 cent. It's kind of a peak to peak. Really on here, so it definitely has broken this peak and came back from this lull. The next place I would look at is this peak right here, which is at 59. So 59 is basically going to be where I'm looking at for next week, price action wise. So going to be looking to see how that performs for next week. If you can get to that 59 or 60 cent level, and then potentially continue to go up from there. Next on here, we have ticker sign ACST, which is bearish. Moving average 10 is below the 100, which is this purple line. So definitely going to be looking to see how that performs. If it can go and retest this level for next week. But it is above 50, so that's one positive note though. VWAP is above moving average 10, so positive on one metric, but negative on the other one, with the moving average 10 being below the 100. So going to be looking to see how this performs. They did hit a week high of 64 cents for last week, ending at 60 cents overall for this week. Going to be looking to see how they perform though over time. So they'll have to retest this 60 cent level, break through the 61 cent moving average 100, and then continue up from there. Now, this is from the perspective of Webull. If you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, I have a link down below where you can do so. So next stock on here, we have ticker sign ADMP, which is bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. So it's this purple and this yellow line. We can see that VWAP is slightly below moving average 10, and it started to go down. It kind of bounced, or it's beginning to bounce off of this moving average 100 line to end the week. So they ended at 92 cents. 99 cents was their week high for last week. So going to be looking to see if it can test that again for next week, if it bounces off of this moving average 100 line at 93 cents. Overall, though, had a positive bounce, though, to end the week, ending at 92 cents, then going up to 95 cents to end the week. So going to be looking at this one for early morning mover on Monday as well. That's ticker sign ADMP. Next up, we have ticker sign ADXS. We can see that they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10, but it's been kind of stagnant. It shot up. This was around the 31st, shot up and went all the way to 79 cents for their week high. And then ended the week at 78 cents. A nice positive move after hours. So after hours on the week, they had a nice little rally to end at 80 cents. So they will be starting on Monday at a new early morning high. So it's going to be a new weekly high at that 80 cent level strike price to begin the week. I'm going to see where it goes from there. Overall, going to be looking to see how it's performed, since it's going to be starting at a new weekly high at this 80 cent level. Overall, very positive though. If we zoom out on the graph, the next one that I would like it to hit is going to be this little spike right here, where it jumped all the way to 82 cents. So hopefully it'll go up 2 more cents and have a nice little rally after hours, and then another level from there is going to be this kind of plateau region right here for 84 cents. So going to be looking at to see if it can hit this 82 cent resistance to break through that peak to peak value, and then continue to go to that 84 cent level, and then potentially to $1. So Definitely keep a close eye on ticker sign ADXS to see if it'll continue to move up. But overall, looking very healthy from this VWAP line being positive and the moving average 10 going up above both of these metrics. Next up, we have ticker sign CYRN, which is bearish. Moving average 10 is above 50, but not above 100. So 100 seems to be a resistance level for them. They did shoot up to the resistance level, going to 85 cents for a week high. But then after hours, afterwards they went down and didn't break through that resistance. Another positive metric, though, to look at, this is kind of the same as ADXS. They did have a little rally after hours to end at 88 cents, which is going to be starting them on a new weekly high. So just because it doesn't show it on here, if we look right here, this after hours, they did rally quite significantly. So this moving average 10 line will definitely be up. VWAP will be up as well based on this rally after hours. So when it comes to penny stocks under $1, small, slight movements like a 4-cent movement are big deals. So I definitely like to highlight the fact that they end on a positive note. Even if it's only 4 cents, it represents 4.76% increase because the stock value is so low. So going to be looking at CYRN for early morning mover since they ended at 88 cents, starting that new week high for them on Monday. Then next up, we have ticker sign DFFN. We can see that they had a week high of 93 cents, overall ending the week at 92 cents, but going up just a little bit to still end at 92 cents though. They are bearish. Moving average 10 is below the 100 but is above 50. VWAP is kind of stagnant as well. Going to be looking to see if this VWAP can shoot back up and moving average 10 can shoot back up at this convergence. So we kind of have a convergence between moving average 10, VWAP 14, as well as the 100. And we're going to see looking at early morning mover for Monday to see if it can break through that level to break through this 93 cent level as well. And lastly on here we have ticker sign ITP, which is bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, and VWAP is is below moving average 10. So positive on one indicator and negative on the other indicator. Overall, going to be looking to see how this performs to see if it can break through this 70-cent week high that it had. It ended at 69 cents, so pretty close to it. But going to be looking to see how it performs, if it can break through the 70-cent level resistance for next week. But overall, looking nice from graph point of view. So drop a comment down below. Tell me what penny stocks under $1 you guys are looking at, or which ones you think that I should review. Hit that thumbs up while you're down there. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.